Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is an unboxing of these. So Lightwish contacted me and asked if they could send me some of their paint markers, and these had really piqued my interest from seeing them on people's channels, so I said yes. They have sent these to me for an unboxing and review. Now this set of acrylic markers I actually bought for myself some time ago, so there is a full unboxing and swatching on my channel. I'll link it in the description box below so you can see the Guangna acrylic marker set. This is a 60 colour set that includes 30 pens. Each pen has 2 colour sides to it. So you can see, like, there's the dark and light green here. These are kind of a beautiful brush tipped marker, if it'll behave. There we go, a brush tipped acrylic paint pen marker. So if I pull out some paper, and you'll see the way the paint in these, gotta get it going, works. Each side has the 2 colours, and there's some truly beautiful colours in these. They're not as opaque as a paint pen. The brushes never are, because of the medium that they need to come through. They are just automatically, you know, going to be a little bit thinner. I tend to use them for backgrounds and such, and you do need to add a couple of layers, but these work beautifully well, and you'll be able to see all the colours and whatnot on that video, so it's in the description box below for you. I've come out too far there and you can see all the mess back in. Don't know what I'm about. Never happened. Huh? What mess? So what they also sent to me, having a terrible lighting day, it's out there, is, I'm going to put this to one side because I have stuffs for this. Right. So we have these super golden paint markers. You get the super metal 12 colours, and when you open up your box and empty them out, you will get these. These are activated like any other paint pen. You need to shake them. You need to shake them for a while, and when you open them, there will be a clear plastic nib, and you need to press it down a few times for a few seconds to release the paint into the nib, into the pen. There are some pictures on the side here of how to do that, and these are what I've been seeing that look really good. They're all metallic colours. Well, I say that they're all metallic colours, but my green, this pale green in my set, just isn't. It just doesn't work the way the rest do. And these are truly beautiful. I was quite impressed. Use them. I've been playing around with them. I have swatched them out, and they do have, I believe, colours on the box. You'll have to work it out from there, because they do not have the same colour on the barrel, but you can work it out. It's a 12 set. Okay, so what we have, as you can see in the light, is this super shiny, as they say, super golden metallic markers, and I really like these. I love anything that I'm not going to have to make a mess with, that I don't have to get my water and my brushes out for. So this is a super quick, super lazy version of adding metallic touches to your page. You will see that for me, just this green is just missing the metallic. Now maybe I haven't shaken it up enough, but I think it's just that marker, to be honest. You can see the difference between it to all the rest, the lovely sparkle on those. And then if I go to my black page and we do the same again, you can see that beautiful sparkle in the light there, that this green is sorely lacking. So you can see all the others shine in the light, and this for me is pants. This is a no, this is a gone, but it's still kind of a really nice set of 11 metallic paint markers, and I've got the colours that I would need in there to be able to do the metallic highlights that I want to do, so I'm okay with it. It's not the end of the world there, but if you've had this set, have you had this same issue? Is it just that one green? But these are fabulous, super fun. And these, like I say, I tend to use for like an acrylic background. I think my Hannah Lynn book is downstairs. Let's see. I'll have it somewhere. There we go. So I love using them for the backgrounds in these, and I've used my other set for that quite a bit. Nope, that's marker pen. Some of them are marker, some of them aren't. And yeah, I just found that they do a beautiful job. I think that's marker as well. They're in there anyway. Ugh. There we go. But like I say, because they are a brush, I tend to do a layer and then give it a few minutes and do a second layer. But having said that, I tend to do that with most of my paint pens as well, so don't think it's too much difference. And yeah, just super fun, super quick and easy. These are beautiful if you like working in the big Hashi Heroes colour by number books. You know how people are always struggling with, they're double-sided, so you can't use alcohol markers. Water-based markers streak so bad, so having a big acrylic paint pen set with lots of colours is just super nice to be able to work in those books, and I found these work really nicely for that, just to give you a valuable option with a bit less streaking without having to spend 10 million years using pencils on them. So this was my unboxing of the Guangna acrylic markers, the 60 colour set, and the 12 super golden markers. These are all available on Amazon, and you can check them out in the description box below. Like I say, do check out the full video for this on my channel. If you've any questions, pop them in the comments below. I'm happy to discuss anything with you. And as always, guys, have a wonderful week. Enjoy your crafting or your colouring, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.